Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use developer options on Android. Developer options are hidden settings that will give you access to advanced customizations and debugging tools on your Android device. So they are primarily intended for developers but can also be useful for power users, and this is how you can enable and use the developer options. So if you want to enable it, you can go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find the about phone options. This one, tap on it and find the software information and tap on this build number 7 times. Okay, after this I need to enter my PIN. Okay, after that you are now a developer. So you'll see a message that says you are now a developer once activated. If you want to access the developer options, you can go back to the settings again and tap on the system, and in here you'll find the developer options. So tap on this developer option to access the advanced settings. Here are some useful options that you'll find under the developer options. First one, you can enable the USB debugging. So it will allow you to connect your device to a computer for advanced tasks like app development or data transfer. So you can just find the USB debugging in here and just toggle it on. This one's right here. So turn it on like this, and now you can just tap on OK. So you can use ADB or Android Debug Bridge tools on your PC to interact with your device. And the second one is you can adjust window animations and transition speed, so it will reduce animation to make your device feel faster. In here you can just scroll down and find until you find the window animation scale. This one's right here. So if you want to like reduce, like you can just adjust it, or you can select animation off, or you can also set it to a lower or to a smaller one. The third one is force RTL layout directions. You can enable right to left or RTL language support for languages like Arabic or Hebrew. You can just enable the force RTL layout direction and toggle it on to apply the settings. And the next one is limit background processes. You can restrict background apps to improve battery life and performance. You can just find the background process limit and select no background process at most one process. And the next one is the mock location. It will use full for testing location-based apps without real location data. And you can also show CPU usage overlay. It will display real-time CPU usage on your screen. You can just go to the on this developer option, just find the option show CPU usage and toggle it on. A bar will appear showing CPU activity, like this one's right here. The next one, you can also enable the OEM unlocking. It will allow you to unlock bootloaders on your device for advanced customization like routing. So you can just find the OEM unlocking and enable it, then unlock the bootloader if needed. If you want to, lastly, if you want to hide the developer options, you can just go to the developer options in here and turn it off, just like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.